Hey y'all, it's Gina. Selling your home is a big step. Before listing, a little magic and heart are needed. Prepare your home for its grand debut to capture buyers' hearts. It's not just tidying up, it's telling your home's best story. This homework pays off, increasing value and appeal. Highlight what makes your home special. Create an emotional connection for buyers. Let's get started on making your home irresistible. Before fluffing pillows or painting walls, understand the world your home lives in. Every neighborhood has its own unique story. Dive deep into your local market to set a sensible price. It's about the community, schools, parks, coffee shops. This context gives your home its true value. We want to price it with purpose. Research like a detective. Look at recently sold homes, your comps. What did they sell for? How long were they on the market? What features did they have? Also, look at homes that didn't sell. Why not? Understand the nuances and perceived value. Position your home perfectly. Set a competitive and realistic price from the start. A correctly priced home generates excitement and attracts serious buyers. Avoid a home sitting too long on the market. Thoughtful pricing makes your home an honest, wonderful opportunity. It's about inviting people in, not pricing them out. Now that we've got a handle on the market, let's focus on your home. Create space, both physical and emotional. Buyers should envision their lives unfolding here. Declutter and depersonalize. Think of it as creating a fresh canvas. Allow the house to speak. Take it one room at a time. Clear surfaces, counters, tables, vanities. Don't forget closets and storage areas. Tuck away personal items. Aim for a welcoming, neutral feel. Decluttering makes rooms feel larger and brighter. Let the home's best features shine. Invite buyers to imagine their life here. Remove distractions and connect with the house. Let's talk about repairs and maintenance. Taking care of your home before selling is crucial. Small issues like a leaky faucet can plant doubt in a buyer's mind. Present a home that feels cherished and well-loved. Build buyer confidence from the moment they step inside. Fixing minor issues shows pride of ownership. It prevents sticking points during negotiations. A well-maintained home is move-in ready. Buyers can focus on making it their own. It creates a smoother, more positive experience. All right, we've researched, decluttered, and repaired. Now for one of my favorite parts, home staging. Staging is so much more than just placing furniture in a room. It's about telling a story. It's about creating an atmosphere, a feeling that allows buyers to emotionally connect with the space and truly see its full potential. We're not just selling walls and a roof. We're selling a lifestyle, a dream of what life could be like in this home. It's about showcasing your home's soul and making it absolutely captivating. So, what does good staging involve? It's about defining the purpose of each room clearly. Is this a cozy reading nook or a functional home office? We want to create a natural flow that guides buyers through the home effortlessly. Maximizing natural light is key. Open those blinds and curtains. Then we bring in warmth and texture with things like soft rugs, inviting throw blankets, and thoughtfully chosen accessories. It's not about making your home look like a sterile showroom, but rather like a welcoming, beautifully lived-in space that's aspirational yet feels achievable and comfortable. The impact of thoughtful staging can be truly transformative. It can make smaller rooms feel more spacious and help buyers understand how to best utilize awkward or unconventional layouts. It highlights your home's best architectural features and creates those wow moments that stick with buyers long after they've left. Ultimately, staging helps buyers visualize themselves living in and loving the space, making it so much easier for them to imagine making an offer. It's like dressing your home in its Sunday best, ready to make an unforgettable impression. We've put in so much heart and hard work to get your home looking its absolute best. Now we need to make sure the world sees it that way. In today's digital age, the first showing of your home happens online. Those photographs are your home's digital handshake. Professional photography is essential for making an incredible first impression. Phone cameras are amazing, but they can't compare to a professional. Pros understand lighting, angles, and composition. They capture the spaciousness, warmth, and details of your home. It's about making your home look like it belongs in a magazine. High-quality photos generate more interest and showing requests. They can lead to a quicker sale at a better price. Stunning photography makes buyers stop and click. It's an investment that pays for itself many times over. Ensure your home stands out and looks its best from the first click. Well, there you have it. A look at the essential homework that can truly set your home sale up for success. From understanding your local market to showcasing your home with beautiful staging and photography, each of these steps plays such a vital role. I really want to encourage you to take this preparation process seriously. It's not just about going through the motions, it's about thoughtfully and intentionally presenting your home in its very best light. This groundwork can truly transform your selling experience and, most importantly, the final outcome. Embrace this preparation as an opportunity. It's your chance to highlight all the love and care you've poured into your home and to maximize its value, ensuring you're getting what it's truly worth. Think of it as lovingly preparing your home for its next chapter, setting the stage for its new owners to fall in love with it, just like you did. When you invest this time and effort up front, you're not just selling a property, you're facilitating a smooth transition and a positive experience for everyone involved. I hope these tips have been helpful and inspiring. Selling a home is a big journey, and I'm passionate about helping you navigate it with confidence. If you'd like more real estate insights, tips on home design, or just a bit of encouragement along the way, please do subscribe to the channel. We've got so much more to share. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to achieving all your selling goals and starting that exciting new chapter.